How to change wallpaper for individual chats on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, go ahead and open the conversation where you want to change the individual chat. Once open, tap on their profile name on top of your screen and you will see the option for chat theme. Tap on that and you will be able to see a bunch of themes over here. If not, you can also tap on the chat color option you see there and set chat color if you want, or you can tap on wallpaper and choose from the provided wallpapers. You can also tap on the choose from photos option you see there and choose from photos for your wallpaper, or you can set a solid color for your wallpaper, or you can also create with AI if you want. Simply tap on the wallpaper that you find the best and then tap on the set option on the top right of your screen, and with this that particular individual WhatsApp chat will be changed. So this is how you can change wallpaper for individual chats on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.